How to use a contraceptive patch. A contraceptive patch is a type of birth control women can wear continuously in the form of a smooth, thin, beige, colored square bandage that measures 1 3/4 of an inch, 4.44 centimeters, on each side. The contraceptive patch releases hormones into a woman's body that prevent ovulation and thicken cervical mucus to stop fertilization. The patch is changed out on the same day once per week for 3 weeks, and is not worn during week 4 while women are menstruating. To make sure the contraceptive patch works effectively in preventing pregnancy, you must adhere to specific guidelines as directed by the birth control prescription instructions or your healthcare provider. Steps. 1. Designate a specific day of the week to apply your contraceptive patch for the first time. This will also be the day that you replace your contraceptive patch with a new patch on a weekly basis, so you may want to pick the most convenient day in your schedule or a day you can easily remember. 2. Select a clean and dry place on your body to place the patch where it will not be irritated or rubbed by your clothing. The contraceptive patch will be most effective if you place it on your abdomen, buttocks, the front or back of your upper torso, or the upper part of your outer arm. Do not apply the patch anywhere on your breasts. 3. Open the package containing the contraceptive patch carefully to avoid accidentally removing the clear liner attached to the patch itself. The patch will have 2 halves of clear liner attached to the adhesive side to help simplify the application process. 4. Peel one side of clear liner from the contraceptive patch without touching the adhesive with your fingers and place it to the clean, dry area of skin you have prepared. 5. Peel the remaining clear liner from the other half of the patch and secure it firmly to your skin. 6. Press and hold the patch against your skin with the palm of your hand for at least 10 seconds. 7. Gently run a finger along each side of the square patch to ensure it is sticking completely to your skin. 8. Wear the patch for 7 days in a row without removing it. The contraceptive patch will remain on your skin during bathing, strenuous exercise, swimming, and all other activities. 9. Remove your contraceptive patch on your designated, or 7th, day by peeling it from your skin and folding it in half with the adhesive sticking to itself. 10. Dispose of the used patch immediately by placing it into a trash can. 11. Place a new and used contraceptive patch on a different place of your body within your abdomen, buttocks, upper torso, and upper outer arm regions. 12. Repeat the process of removing and applying a new patch on the same day every week for 3 consecutive weeks. 13. Leave the contraceptive patch off your skin for week 4, during your menstrual period. 14. Follow explicit instructions as advised by your prescription or healthcare provider if you forget to change your patch on time in order to prevent pregnancy. If you forget to change your patch during week 1 of your monthly cycle, apply a new patch as soon as you remember and designate that specific day as your new patch change day. Use a backup birth control method for the next consecutive 7 days. Use the same strategy if you forget during week 4, but keep your patch change day the same. If you forget to replace the patch after 1 or 2 days during weeks 2 or 3 of your cycle, change your patch immediately after you remember and keep your patch change date the same. You will not need to use backup birth control unless you have allowed more than 2 days to pass before you remember to change the patch. Tips. If your patch happens to fall off at any time, you may reapply it to your skin if possible or replace it with a new patch immediately to avoid the disruption of your birth control. Warnings. Do not apply the contraceptive patch to an area of your skin that has been treated with lotion, perfume, cream, makeup, or any other substance because it may cause the patch to become loose and reduce its effectiveness to prevent pregnancy.